Erica with Off Leash Canine Training Hawaii, and today we have a 1.5-year-old German Shepherd named Callie. Callie's coming to us because she needs some obedient work. She's done a little bit of training so far, but she can't really hold her positions. She's pretty good with people, but she's really scared and skittish a lot, really nervous most of the time. She's got a little bit of dog aggression. She's the baby of 6 dogs at home. Doesn't seem to mind the other 4 of her family members, but she has attacked one of them. So we're going to work on a little bit of dog aggression with her. Let's see if Callie knows anything today and wants to show us. Callie, come. Oh, good girls, good girls, good girls, Callie. Good girls. Callie, sit. Oh, what a good job. Oh, sit. Callie, sit. Sit. Oh, yeah, that's a good down. Callie. Come. Sit. Good girl, Callie. Good girls, Callie. Callie, down. All right, so now you see what we got to work with. She does do sit whenever she wants to. It's not very stable. She did down burst a couple of times, but not when she was told to down. Let's see if she's going to heel it off. Callie, can you heel? Callie, heel. Callie, heel. All right, guys, so we got a lot to work with. We're going to have a lot of fun, so check back in 2 weeks and see what our amazing progress looks like.